Hey, I was just getting ready for dinner, so this is what I'm having. I'll show you how to make it. It's quick and easy. Jumbo shell recipe. So keep on watching. Teach you how. Hi guys, so this is one of my favorite recipes. I'm going to add all the ingredients down in the description box below. So first we're going to add 2 eggs to our ricotta cheese. Then we're going to add in some shredded Parmesan cheese. After that, I'm adding in some diced mozzarella cheese. We're going to go ahead and add some parsley, some salt, pepper, and garlic pepper, and give it a nice big mix. Next step, we're going to take some tomato paste and we're going to add it to the bottom of a pan or dish, whatever one you're using. I boiled some jumbo noodle shells. The instructions were on the box of how to boil them. And after they were ready, now I'm adding in the cheese batter and we're going to place them together just like this. I added enough tomato sauce in the bottom of the pan so my noodles don't stick, and we'll just repeat until the dish is full. Now I'm going to add the remaining tomato sauce on top of the noodles, and we're going to sprinkle some mozzarella cheese just like this. I forgot to mention the oven was preheated to 350 degrees for about 10 minutes already, and we're going to place this into the oven. After 30 minutes of bake time, this is my delicious stuffed shells. Came out so delicious. Thanks for watching.